Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to solve the last layer of the 3 by 3. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do in order to solve the last layer is to make the cross on the opposite side you have already made. So what we can see here that these two edges are oriented and this makes a line. So this is the first case. There are three cases to make the cross. So the first one is this line. You have to keep it like this, and then so first an F move, then the algorithm I taught you once, and then reverse the F move, and now you can see the cross has been made. Now the second case is the 9 o'clock case. So this is to 12 and this is 9. So you have to keep it this way only. So one edge is facing upwards and the other one is to the left, like this. And then you have to do one F move, and 2 times the algorithm I taught you 2 times. So 1 and then 2, and then reverse the F move. Now we can see the cross has been made again. Now the last case is the dot. In this we have to do one F move, then 2 times the algorithm I taught you. So and now what we can see is that we have got a line. So I will take it like this and then do an F move, the algorithm I taught you once. So 1 and then reverse the F move. So now what we can see that we have made the cross. The second thing is to correct all the corners. So we have to see which corner is at the right place. So we can see this red, green and yellow corner is not in between the red, green and yellow centers. It is within the orange, blue and yellow centers. So we will now see the other corner. This is the green, orange and yellow corner, and this is also at the wrong place. Now this is the blue, orange and yellow corner. This is also at the wrong place, and this is the red, blue and yellow corner. This is also at the wrong place. So now we can do any F move. We can do it this way or 2 times and then check again. So now we can see that blue, orange and yellow, this is at the right place. Now blue, red and yellow, this is also at the right place. Red, green and yellow, this is also at the right place. And green, orange and yellow, this is also at the right place. And blue, orange and yellow, this is also at the right place. You don't get this case all the time. You don't get all the corners solved all the time. So what we can see now is that this is at the right place. So red, green and yellow, this is at the right place. This is at the right place, red, blue and yellow, but these two are at the wrong places. So now what we have to do is keep the solved corners to the left hand side and then do this. The algorithm I taught you 3 times. So R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime. Now what we can see is that this corner is out of its slot and white is facing up. So when you see this white facing up, rotate the cube to the side where this white is. So this white is to the right, so I will rotate the cube to the right side, and now I will do 3 times the same algorithm just with my left hand. So L prime U prime L U, L prime U prime L U, L prime U prime L U. Now we are going to check if the corners are at their places. So let's do a U move, and now see yellow, blue and orange, orange, green and yellow, green, red and yellow, blue, red and yellow. So we can see that all the corners are at the right place. Now there is another case which you can get. So what we can see here is that this is at the right place, this is at the wrong place, this is at the right place and this is at the wrong place. So what we can see is these two corners are at the right places and these two are not. So what we have to do is hold the cube like this, so that these two, one is to the back left and the other is to the front right. So like this is solved and this is solved. Now do the same thing. So 3 times the right version of the algorithm, and now cube rotate to the side where I see white. So I see white to the right, I will rotate to the white. Now the left version of the algorithm 3 times. Now what we will see is that 2 corners will be at the right place. So let's check. So I will do a U move. This is at the right place and nothing else is at the right place. So we will do another U move to check if anything else is at the right place or not. So now we can see this is at the right place, this is at the right place, and these two are on the wrong places. So now we have got the old case. So these two are on the left side and these two at the right side. So now I will do the same thing. So 1 2 3 cube rotate, 1 2 3. And now what we can see is this is at the right place, this is at the right place, this is at the right place, and this is at the right place. So that's the end of this video. I will also upload a video on the last step of the 3x3. And thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it.